Pirates love underpants. Pirates love underpants. These pirates so love underpants, they're on a special quest to find the fabled pants of gold for the captain's treasure chest. "Anchors away!" the captain cries. "Hoist up the black bloomer's sail. Unfurl the secret treasure map. Pants pirates never fail." Black bloomer bobs upon the waves. The captain shouts, "Hooray! Sharks in fancy underpants, we found Big Knickers Bay." The pirates grab their shiny swords and row their boats to shore. "Yikes, me hearties, what is this? Someone's been here before." The footprints lead through the shifting dunes across the Three Pants Bridge. "Snap, snap!" snarl the hungry crocs beneath the Long John Bridge. The pirates wade through the gurgling swamps, through caves as black as night. They trek through prickly undergrowth, then gulp! Oh, what a sight! "We're here too late!" the pirates gasp. "Another pirate crew! They found the golden underpants! What are we going to do?" The captain has a cunning plan. It's clever, it's fantastic. Grab their fancy underpants and cut through the elastic! As the rival pirates sleep, they snip round on tiptoe. But help! The captain's pirate squawks and wakes them up. Oh no! "Grab those pants!" the captain roars. "They're after us, ooh-ar!" But with their pants around their feet, they don't get very far. Yo, ho, 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 the pirates dance. Fine treasure fills our hold, but what's the booty we love best? The glittering pants of gold. So when you put your pants on, check the elastic is in place. Or like those silly pirates found, you'll have a bright red face.